Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? I hope you all are fine and enjoy your session. Okay, enjoy your online session and your study. Okay, so now first you just tell me what is your school name? Tell me answer. What is your school name? Yes, stand straight and fold your hand. Say, my school name is Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. Very good. And which class do you study? You studied in LKG. Okay, you studying in LKG class. So, your class name is LKG. Now, which period is going on today? Which period is going on? Math period is going on. So today I am going to teach you numbers. Okay, revision of numbers. From first look the heading. Numbers from 51 to 100. In your previous video we will write numbers from 1 to 50. All of you return 1 to 50, 1 to 50, 50. So now we will return from 51 to 100. Okay. So all are ready for writing? Okay. Now take out your math notebook, pencil and eraser and write numbers with me. Okay. So first we will write the place of the number. What is the place of the number? Tens and ones. Before write numbers, we will write the place of the numbers. So tens and ones. Okay. So starting from 5151. Here write 5151. Okay. 51. Now what is the after number of 51? After number of 51, 5 to 52. So here we write 5 to 52. 51, 52. Then after 52, which number will come? After 52, 53 will come. So here we write 5, 3, 53. Okay, write proper. 5 in tens column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ones column. Okay. So 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53. After 53, 5, 4, 54. After 53, 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. Okay. 5, 5. Okay, 5, 5, 55. Now after 55, 5, 6, 56. All of you write 5, 6, 56. After 56, 5, 7, 57. Okay, say and write. Always you say the number, then write the number. Okay. If you write this, you say 5, 7, 57. Okay. Then 5, 8, 58. After 58, 5, 9, 59. After 59, 6, 0, 60. Okay. From 51 to 60, 60. Now drop one line and again write place of the number. tens and ones. Drop one line and write tens and ones. All of you write 51 to 60. One time we will check all the numbers. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60, 60. From 51 to 60, 60. Okay. Now drop one line. Okay, understand? Again write tens and ones and write from 61, 61. Okay. Now after 61, which number will come? After 61, 62, 62. Then after 62, 63, 63. After 63, 64, 64. After 64, 65, 65. After 65, 66, 66. All of you write with me. After 66, 67, 67. Copy from the board and write fast. Okay. For practice, write numbers again and again. Okay. So write fast and write neat and clean. Okay. Your notebook is looking very nice. So write neat and clean and write with me. 67, 67. 68, 68. 69, 69. And last 70, 70. Okay, write like this. All of you write from 51 to 70. Okay. So now check your line. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70, 70. Written from 61 to 70. Okay. Now drop one line. Again write place of the number. Place of the number is tens and ones. Okay. So now after 70, which number will come? After 70, 71 will come. So here we write 71, 71. Okay, all of you write 71, 71. How to write 7 and how to write 1? Look here and write. Now after 71, 72, 72. After 72, 73, 73. After 73, 74, 74. After 74, 75, 75. After 75, 76, 76. After 77, 77. After 77, 78, 78. Then after 78, 79, 79. And last 80, 80. Okay. So this line is complete. Now again one time you check your line. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80, 80. Finish? Okay. Now again drop one line and write the place of the numbers, tens and ones. Okay. Okay, all of you written from 80. Now, what is the after number of 8080? After 80, 81 will come. So, in this line, we write start from 81. 8181. All of you write 8181. Okay. Now, 8282. After 82, 8383. After 83, 8484. After 84, 8585. After 85, 8686. After 86, 8787. Then 8888. Look at the board and how to write numbers. After 88, 8989, and last 9090. Okay, so this line from 81 to 9090. Okay, let's check your line. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 9090. All are the after numbers. After numbers we write the full line. Okay. In forward counting always after numbers. So you write from 51 to 9090. Now again drop one line. Okay. Again drop one line and write the place of the number. When only one digit number, we'll write in ones column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These are the one digit number. So, one digit number we will write in ones column. जब हमारा नंबर वन डिजिट का होता है, ओके, तो हम वंस कॉलम में लिखते हैं. ओके. जब हमारा नंबर टू डिजिट का होता है, जब दो नंबर होते हैं, तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? टेंस एंड वंस, और वन को टेंस कॉलम में लिखते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? 1010. नाउ योर नंबर इज 3 डिजिट. योर नंबर इज 3 डिजिट मीन्स 100. 100 is 3 digit ना. 1 0 0 1 2 3. 100 3 डिजिट नंबर है, तो उसके लिए एक प्लेस और चाहिए ना. अभी तक हमारे पास 2 डिजिट नंबर की प्लेस थी, टी और ओ. अब 100 कैसे है? 3 डिजिट नंबर है, तो हम 100 के लिए एक और प्लेस बनाएंगे. 100 HTO. ओके. So, after 90, 91 दो डिजिट नंबर है, तो वो टेंस और वंस में ही आएगा. ठीक है. आफ्टर 91, 92, 92. after 92, 93, 93. After 93, 94, 94. After 95, sorry. After 94, 95, 95. Then after 95, 96, 96. Then 97, 97. 97, 97. After 97, 98, 98. These all are 2 digit. अभी 2 digit नंबर ही चल रहा है, अभी अपने 3 digit नंबर नहीं आए. ओके. After 98, 99, 99. अब है हमारे पास आफ्टर 99 100 100. बट 100 100 हम कैसे लिखेंगे? These are 3 digit number. So this column for 100. So here we write 1. Here we write 0 and here we write 0. 100 100. So we will make one new column H for 100. Understand all of you? In this line we will write H for 1, T for 0 and O for also 0. So 100 100. Okay. Now check your line. First we will write HTO. All of you write HTO. Then 91 91. 92 92. 93 93. 94 94. 95 95. 96 96. 97 97. 98 98. 99 99 and 100 100. ओके, यहाँ पर आपको H लिखना है. H वाले कॉलम में 1, T कॉलम में 0 एंड 1s कॉलम में 0. So 100 100 because 100 is 3 digit number. Okay, so make new column 100. H for 100. So from 51 to 100 like this. Okay, change in the last column, we will make 100 column. Okay, otherwise all are 2 digit number. So 2 digit number for tens and ones only. Okay, so you understand what is in last line. Okay, so copy from the board as it is. All of you write 51 to 100. In last line, be careful. Okay, मैं new column for 100 line. New column for 100 line and write like this 100. Okay. एंड डू प्रैक्टिस फॉर नंबर्स. अभी तो आप कॉपी कर रहे हो बोर्ड से, आपको बिना देखे भी सारे नंबर लिखते आना चाहिए. सो आपको बिना देखे भी नंबर्स लिखना है. फर्स्ट यू राइट फ्रॉम 1 to 50. पहला 1 to 50 ट्राई करो, उसके बाद आप 51 to 100 ट्राई करना. ओके, सो प्रैक्टिस फॉर नंबर्स. ओके, बिना देखे लिखना है आपको सारे नंबर्स. दिस इज फॉर योर टेस्ट फॉर यू. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस we will write with your own yourself. Okay, so now your period is over. Now bye, have a nice day.